Hello YouTubers, today we're going to the Water Wizard car wash in I think it's in Benton, Arkansas, and this is our first car wash in Arkansas, even though we was out here in the country of Arkansas.
Now what system is this?
A Water Wizard.
Is this a touch? Because we're gonna need it.
Well, it's touchless, but we'll do a touch on the way back.
Okay, that'll work.
So I think we'll use the, hold on, let's see which bays are in use. Looks like the right bay is in use.
Are these both touchless?
Yeah, let's find out which bay is about to be done. So let's look at the left bay.
Okay.
So the left bay is, let's see. That one's on rocker panel blaster. Let's check the right bay because that one's getting rinsed. Yep, I see rocker panel blaster. So we'll go in the right bay because
okay.
I think that one will be done first because the rocker panel blaster is the part where it's still spraying pre-soak.
Okay. There we are. Welcome to Arkansas. Should we give them a view of the pay station like we always do?
Even though since the screen's on the main menu, you can see the wash menu one more time.
And what kind of pay station is this?
Well, I don't know yet. I'll search it on the internet to find out what that one is.
Now, is our truck too wide? We're about to find out.
Actually, we made it in before in Italy, Texas, at that C5 Hiles.
Yeah. Okay. So far, I think I'm doing okay.
I heard a buzzer on the left bay. So there's a car beside us. That's also going in.
Yeah. At the same time, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we go.
Yep. Stop and pre-soak. You can see it on the left side, the sign. Even though the letters are standing still right now.
Looks like they'll have a timer for the dryer that we can see.
Yep, ahead of us.
The ones without it, I never want to give them a high review.
Right. But with it, we can give them a high review. Kind of like on board, we can give them a high review.
Yeah. So each car wash takes about 10 minutes, huh?
Somewhere between 5 to 10 minutes, obviously.
Yeah.
Okay. See what's it? Okay, I can see something spraying. So it looks like it's gonna come back. I hear a buzzer too. I think that car is actually going in on the left side. So I think the first buzzer was that someone was leaving the bay.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. That's the car in the other bay.
So it pulled up to the stop point.
Yeah.
Okay.
At least that's a loud buzzer. We can hear it from here inside the vehicle. That seems like a very loud buzzer.
Absolutely. Apparently the weather here yesterday was pretty bad.
Yeah.
So we waited a day to do the review.
Yeah. Well, a day to go down to Little Rock, and then while we were in Little Rock, we decided to film a car wash.
Yep, that's it.
And plus, due to the dust, we had to go get it washed off anyways.
Absolutely. It was a great idea.
Yeah. Looks like the boom is dropping down in the back. Okay, now it's...
What stage are we in right now?
Okay, looks like we're on the wash. Okay, look at that. Look at the back of the truck. There's the boom that's actually close to it.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Looks like it's making contact. And I can see it raising up a little bit.
Yep, I see it.
Getting
So
kind of close to the roof. Yeah.
It's sensing the vehicle.
Yeah, the size of it.
Powerful.
Yeah. Okay, we can say the sign, washing. It's saying washing.
Yep, absolutely.
Let's see what will the next.
It says danger, stay in your car.
Yep. We'll see what will the next message say. It says
Who would
rinse.
be crazy enough to get out of the car in a car wash?
Right.
Oh, we've seen videos of that, haven't we?
I think we have.
Remember a guy laid on the hood?
Yeah, I remember that.
I don't recommend that.
Right. And I even remember a guy with a motorcycle in the car wash.
Also crazy.
Yeah. Okay, now it's saying rinse. Well, looks like a car pulled up behind another car at the left side bay.
Absolutely.
I think they should pull up behind us, since we're gonna be done first. If we bought the top, if we both bought the top wash. Mm-hmm. Okay, looks like this is the triple shine. Yep, there go the colors. Triple shine. Yep.
And then the wax.
Clear coat protectant. I think after the clear coat protectant, we'll do a wax. Yep. There goes the sign on the left side saying clear coat protectant. I think the wax is coming after it sprays the back. Yep. That's the wax. So far, this car is just a little bit busy today.
Yes.
Even though it's a good thing they have 2 automatic bays.
Correct.
Oh, it's clear coat protectant, so it's a low pressure. Okay, now this is the wax. Yep. Seems like this is the spot-free wrench right here. I can see the top boom going left and right a little bit, even though it's going to turn off because the spot-free wrench will spray from the separate nozzles. Spot-free wrench is on the left side, so it's going to say exit slowly. So let's watch it. It's going to tell us when to exit. Okay. Yep, and it buzzed at us too.
Yep.
Looks like we got a 40-second dryer timer.
Well, it was 45, but by the time you get to it, it's 40.
Yeah, I believe so. Okay, 25 seconds remaining.
Yep, I just tried to get the front of the truck.
Yeah.
The bed behind it, I just...
Yeah, we don't care about the bed.
No.
We can keep that wet. We just mostly care about the windshield.
Yep.
And someone's going out in the dryer too on the left bay as well.
Boy,
And there's a car behind that car too.
Here.
Yeah.
All right.
Looks like we pulled in at the same time and out, kind of at the same time.
Yeah.
There goes some manual bays, 4 manual bays. And there goes some vacuums. And a vacuum over here on the right side.
Kind of see the different businesses around here.
Yep. There's pretty cool places. And this is right along the I-30. There go the I-30.
Yeah.
You can see it a little bit. Anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and buy YouTubers. This was a Water Wizard 2.0 car wash at Bryant Splash Car Wash in Bryant, Arkansas. Bye.